Hey guys, today we are going to play Don't Press the Button. Currently, as you saw, I died because I accidentally wasn't recording when I was like trying to record it before. Oh, money. Because I wasn't recording before I did the game, so yeah. Okay, press the button. Ah, okay. So I did this when I was like trying to record before. It didn't turn out good because my team, they weren't helping me when the blue was taking over. Again! Jesus, get over here! Oh my gosh. They have so much and they are deciding to take over my team. Die. By the way, this video is going to be short because I'm running out of storage and also I'm definitely making more in the afternoon. Like a 3-minute video or longer. Probably longer because like right now it's 7:30 something. Wait a minute. This dude is hacking. You gotta find him. Oops. Oh. Yes. Yes. No, we didn't do it. Okay, I'm gonna correct that. This. So, no, that. Oh, that one. Oh my god! Yay! Oh, this is sad. Okay.
I like singing.
Oh god. I know this meme. Are there any trains? The train actually looks like that. Oh my god. I did this in my other video. If you want to go see it, it's previously called, I don't really remember what it's called, but still, you should go check out my channel and you'll see, me playing Don't Press the Button. I did not add a cover because I did not go on CapCut and edit it. So you might not always see editing stuff in it because sometimes I'm not actually editing it. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording and I will see you once I am finished this game. And I died. Blue team on. Oh yes, in my previous video I also did this. Oh my god. Okay, a lot of these like reset. But stay away from me. I will win now. I promise. I promise that I will win. God. People die from this freaking girl. Same. I forgot there's no jump button. Now there is. Okay, fine. I would jump for so long. Repeat. I don't want it to do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, I lagged. Okay. By the way, this is not going to be a short video that much, but it'll be a little bit long. Oh my god. Stop. Why do I keep pressing menu? Okay. Why is my health low? I pressed it. What's happening? Do I have good luck? Baldi! Hi! Hi! Am I your friend? Oh god. Hi. Hi. God. What happened to me? Freaking still there. He's gone. No, I hate this one. I did this for my last one and hey! Oh! Oh! Damn it. I died. So sad. I'll see you once this is done. Right. Alright. Oh, they all won. Okay. I love. I want to go. Why do I have a princess hat? It's not a ghost. Oh. What? I didn't see that. Oh my god, I hate that. Oh, that I can go back in. They're a true survivor. But they just... Okay, this is weird. Alright guys, so I will see you in another video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye!